Violence erupts in Bangladesh again, this time at the grave of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The flashpoint? Gopalganj, birthplace of Bangladesh's founding father. Now the site of bloodshed and rage. Several dead, dozens injured, many arrested, and a nation left reeling. Because this was more than just violence, it was a strike at the soul of Bangladesh. Ousted former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina calls it a direct attempt to erase Mujib's legacy. But is that really what's happening? Let's break it down. On 16th of July, the National Citizen Party (NCP) held a rally in Gopalganj. Its alleged goal? Well, to desecrate Bangabandhu's grave, the man who led Bangladesh to independence in the year 1971. Provocative chants, abusive slogans, anti-Awami League war cries. All this was heard. And then there was chaos all over. Stone pelting, tear gas, army intervention. The fuse was lit and Gopalganj exploded. Chhatra League members loyal to the Awami League retaliated. They say that they were defending the spirit of 1971 and Bangabandhu's honor. Online videos show violence unfolding. Slogans turned to smoke, protests led to bloodshed. But this isn't just about the rally. This was a deliberate provocation in Bangabandhu's hometown by a group that many say is rewriting history. And the writing's been on the wall. Last year, Mujib's statue was torn down. His portrait was removed from Darbar Hall. The Bangabandhu Museum was set ablaze. Even his title, Father of the Nation, struck off a law honoring freedom fighters. This wasn't a one-off. It's a pattern. And former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina is not staying silent. She has accused Muhammad Yunus, a political rival, of engineering what she calls a barbaric conspiracy to erase Mujib and to rewrite Bangladesh. And maybe she's not wrong. Because what started as anti-quota protests morphed into a radical movement that chased Hasina from power. Now that she is out, Mujib's name is vanishing from textbooks, from currency, from law. Yunus says that Mujib's legacy is safe. But the ground story in Gopalganj, well, it says otherwise. Bangladesh now stands at a crossroads, torn between its founding ideals and a dangerous new rewrite. The question is no longer if there's a conspiracy, but whether Bangabandhu's legacy will survive it.